Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 255. The extended attributes are inconsistent. Error EA list inconsistent on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the possible solutions. Right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command mmsys.cpl. This is incorrect. mmsys. mmsys. Click on OK. This command will open sound profile of your system. Here go to sounds from the top menu bar, and here under program events, scroll down and select the option Windows user account control, and under sounds click on none. From the top of the page you will find the option none. Select it and click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, close the windows and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command msconfig, click on OK. This will open system configuration windows. Here from the top menu bar, go to services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner, and thereafter click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar, go to a startup option and click on the link open task manager. Task manager window will now open. Here look for any startup apps enabled in your system. Look for enabled startup apps. Find out if any startup apps enabled found. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps in your system. Manually disable all your enabled startup apps in your system. Thereafter close the task manager windows and click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, close the window, restart your system. The next workaround is uninstall recently installed applications. If you have installed recent any application or programs, then uninstall them. There may be a possibility of this is the main cause. So open control panel in your system, go to programs and features, and here navigate, find out recently installed apps and features programs. Simply select it and choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh version of that app or features, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command netplwiz. Don't viz, this should be wiz. netplwiz. Click on OK. This command will open user accounts. Here select your user account and make sure that full permission. Go to properties and here go to group membership and here choose other and set as administrator and click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, close the windows and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here go to recovery, click on recovery option and here click on the link open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will now open. Here click on next and choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event, either automatic restore point or other, and click on next and finally confirm your restore point. Click on finish. Follow on screen instruction to complete the restore process. After that, restart your system. Your problem should